Alright guys, little update again, going to work on the bus another time, second time for me. I think fourth or fifth time total that this bus has been worked on. Not 100% sure, because Alex has been going down there every once in a while to do some things. I got a little less than 100 miles to go, and I will see you at the bus. Alright, so just Matt and I so far. All this crap that's in here was of the first attempt or second attempt to go register it at one of the satellite DMVs, but they didn't have an inspector. So, well, figure it out. We currently have no tools because the guy with tools ain't here. And yeah, so we're just gonna tidy up, remove all the electrical connections to the cabin AC. This bus has two compressors, so the one for the driver works, but these two cabin ACs, they're in the way anyway, so we're gonna remove them, but they're also spent, so we're gonna start removing the electrical connectors, and then when the tools arrive, we'll start taking them out, start taking apart the back, and keep going. All right, so another quick update. We got our tools, so we're taking off the back. We're working on taking off the skin and all the insulation for it, so that we can work on getting the bulkhead going. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. We're gonna just work from the back all the way forward. Probably take out the air conditioning today, as I said earlier. So quick little update. There's grinding and cutting and everything going on inside of the bus, so stepping out for a second. I need to put in hearing protection for that. I got a face mask on because I'm dealing with ripping out the fiberglass right now. I'll show you a quick video of that. I won't really be able to talk because you won't be able to hear me over the grinding, but I'll show you quickly all the work that I've done so far on that. And yeah, the plan is we're taking off all of the metal sheeting that covers up the ribs for the bus all the way around, and so that we can put in the bulkhead separating the garage from the living quarters of the bus. So I'll show you that in a second. So you can maybe see what I'm doing. There's all fiberglass insulation in there. Alex is working on cutting all the ribbing off for the bulkhead. It's going to go right around there. Got both sides down to about there. Air conditioning needs to come out, so I'm probably working on that next so I can keep going. And then Matt in the front, he's wire wheeling all of the holes. You can see one right here. All the holes that are in the bus for the seating, so that we can weld them shut and just, you know, not have water come in underneath our flooring. All right, quick update again. Air conditioning almost coming out. All these side panels, I got basically all the fasteners out, so that once the AC drops, we get both of them out, and all the plumbing that's associated with it and electrical, we can take all that out. The back is getting torn apart now. Grinding away the little the holes in the floor so we can weld them shut. And yeah, we're gonna keep on going, and you know, hopefully not die, because we almost had an AC fall and hurt people. Not really, but could have happened. Quick update from under the bus, where so this is all the electrical for the rear AC. The front AC is just like a regular like truck AC, but the rear AC, it has in the back there's a compressor and condenser and everything. It's really annoying though, because it like comes in through right here. This is the box. This is the you know, the cargo box, and we're trying to snake all this crap out so that we can kind of keep it all in one piece. And you know, if anyone wants a bus air conditioner, you know, let us know. All right, just to kind of explain what I was doing under the bus. So this comes from above the bus. Oh, sorry, that's horrible camera work. But it all comes from above the bus. That goes up. There was a conduit, went up to where the AC was, and then it goes through the box out there. So we will actually gain a tiny bit of storage room, which is good. We just pulled the coolant lines themselves out, and we're gonna start on this side and we'll go to the other side. We're trying to snake these through all the way to the front into the I don't know what you call this, electrical box, I guess. Trying to figure out where it goes to so we can disconnect them and just kind of start getting all that stuff out, but keep it all together. And then we'll do the other side, and then there's some more that goes to the back on the other side for the compressor and condenser. So we got, oh no, the dog's here. Oh God. But look at the loom that's just, oh no, he's so excited. Look at all the loom that's just falling apart onto Andrew. It's just disintegrating. That's a 1998 loom for you, I guess. But what can you do? All right, so what we've done so far, we figured out where all the wiring for the rear AC goes. The bus has two compressors for the added AC in the rear and for the cabin AC up front. They're completely separate. We don't need a new like serpentine belt or anything. We can just cut that out, so that'll be good. Refrigerant lines for that also go back. We're gonna figure that out, take all that, delete that all out, and then I'll show you inside real quick. And then for what we've done inside, it might be grinding in a second, but got all the sides down. Working on taking out some of the roof on the middle and the back. The middle for the partition and the back for reinforcing for the door. All this furniture in here is temporary. We're not going to actually have it in. But otherwise for the interior, ACs are down. What else? The ACs are down, and we got all the bracketry for that down too. So we're basically just going to have the AC as a full kit, more or less. And yeah, that's kind of it. I can't really get anything to show you much right now. You know, maybe a little better look at what's going on there. Trying to find the ribs of the bus so that we can build the partition wall that goes all the way up and across. There's going to be a door there too, and that's what this metal here is for, to make that partition wall. And then once that's up, we can start focusing on making the cabin of the bus, you know, an RV, make it nice, put in flooring, put in, you know, futons or whatever we're doing, TV, couches, the kitchenette, and you know, wire it up, everything, make it good. So that's maybe the last update for today. She's coming along pretty good though. But we have 8 or 9 weeks. It might be 8 weeks. I'm gonna say we're working on 8 weeks. Finally, we get to be warm. Except I'm leaving soon, so it doesn't matter that much. Oh well. Alright guys, so that's basically the end of the video. This is actually a few days later. We just kind of kept working and I had to leave, so didn't really film much more than that. The guys stayed about an hour or so later than I did. Started welding up those holes in the floor, got the roof ripped up all the way that they needed to get ripped up. But you know, the big point of the entire video, which I said in a clip that ended up getting corrupted, the big point of this video is that there's a lot of us working on that bus, and we're working for all day, and it looks like not that much is getting done. And that's just kind of how a lot of car projects go. A lot of people who, they just watch people work on cars on the internet who don't have a car themselves to work on or haven't done it yet for whatever reason. It's kind of hard to realize that a lot of stuff does take a long time. So that's it for the video right now. I looked it up. We have 8 weekends left until the race weekend. So try and get at least 4 more videos out of it. I don't know how many times I'm going to be going down, but I'll also try to get a video of the car before the race, and then I will also try to record as much of the race weekend and our prep for it and everything. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you really want to. We don't care that much. Greatly appreciated though, and have a good one.